Naiza в Алматы. Здесь решают секунды. Характер важнее силы. В Naiza только лучшие бойцы. 12 боев. Одна ночь. Никаких вторых шансов. Дулат Кинезбеков. Его называют проспектом года. Но сегодня он встречает того, с кем у него есть незаконченное дело. Мураджан Юсупов. Старый знакомый, новый счет. Любители позади. Теперь профессиональная клетка. Теперь по-настоящему. Говорят, грация и жестокость несовместимы. Айгерим и Алиса докажут обратное. Наблюдай. Некоторые уходят и возвращаются тихо. Магомед Кабардиев, экс-чемпион Naiza, возвращается громко. Наби Ашурлаев ждет его в клетке. Пояс он знает изнутри. И теперь он идет за следующей главой. И главное, пояс легкого веса. Майки Линарес. Хитрый, терпеливый, расчетливый. Он ждет ошибки и наказывает за нее. Жансерик Жаксагулулы. Непредсказуемый, взрывной, опасный в любую секунду. Расчет против инстинкта. Кто сломается первым? Naiza 82. 2 мая. Спортивно-культурный комплекс имени Балуана Шалака. 16:00. Билеты на Кино КЗ. Будет жарко.
Қайырлы кеш, қадірменді ММА сүйер қауым. Бүгін сіздер үшін, біздер үшін және мына топ балалар үшін Naiza 82 турнирінің жауынгерлері шеберлік сыныбын өткізетін болады. Былайынша айтқанда ашық жаттығу. Дайынсыңдар ма достар? Көңіл күй қалай жалпы? Көңіл күй қалай жалпы? Жақсы ма? Сөйтіп отырсаңдаршы. Ең бірінші болып өз өнерін көрсететін Дулат Кеңесбеков, Дулат келе ғой. Naiza 82 турнирінде өнер көрсететін жас проспект. Қошеметімізді көрсетіп қояйық. Көрсететін шеберлігі сіздерге жақсы көмек болады деген үміттеміз. Сонымен бастайық. Titty spraying the Mac, extend those in the back on the lap. I got a bitch that look like Layla Ali sitting in my lap. Got a car from skateboard, pick 'em up and lax. Speaking skateboards, where tune at? Fuck with him, I break a skateboard on the nigga back. 2 chains. Skateboard on a nigga track. No lie, already got a black. Mama got a house, daughter got accounts. Just to think a nigga like me started with an ounce. Bad bitches and D-boys, we bring them out. If them niggas pussy, we dush them, we clean them out. This the voice of ghetto intelligence. If you got work, go to work, don't work at your residence. For presidents, word to Muhammad, that triple beam is heaven sent. Riding through the jungles in that motherfucking elephant. That's a great ghost, with them ears on it. Swimming through the hood like it got fins on it. You know I got that work on the foreman grid. Waiting motherfuckers in, made another meal. Got a nigga feeling like Cassius Clay. Thriller and vanilla, nigga want it, whoop his ass today. Ale Bombaye, Ale Bombaye. Thank God that a nigga seen another day. Ale Bombaye, Ale Bombaye. Got a chopper and a bottle, fucking let him spray.
In the club, I get it going, Just move it to the music, it's on to the sounds of 50 and DRE. Everything's calculated in time precise. Never move, never mill, let's get right, alright? Success is my drug of choice, my off life. Feeling lucky enough to bet it all on the dice. Shorty, do what you wanna do. Hit the dance floor and move how you wanna move. Later on, we can cruise if you wanna cruise. It's whatever you want. In fact, cause I got more than I flaunt. Yeah! I do my thing in the club. Every chance I get, I tear it up. Dance floor jam packed. Look, I got 'em going out of control. Set it off from your left, dawg. Set it off from your right, dawg. Set it off. Nigga, I said set it off. Set it off. System thumping, dance floor jumping. We 30 deep in this bitch. We stunting, that's what you get. You in my hood, I thought you understood. You know me, VIP, no ID. Bottles of DP, I do a real B.I.G. Bitches break their neck to be where I be. Take them to ecstasy without ecstasy. I'm a chef, you need a hit, I got the recipe. Doc got the antidote, it's in the drums and the notes. Can you feel it? Him said for me to make you feel it and remind you that you're rocking with the realest. I do my thing in the club. Every chance I get, I tear it up. Dance floor jam packed. Look, I got 'em going out of control. Set it off from your left, dawg. Set it off from your right, dawg. Set it off. Nigga, I said set it off. Set it off. I'm hot, boy, I'm burning up. I do my thing in the club with the burner tongue. Till the speakers all blown, we gon' turn it up and do that damn thing, yeah, do that, man. Shorty, hit me high, then hit me low. Get the poppin' and shaking that thing on the floor. A little dose of it, now I want some more. Nobody put that thing on me like that before. I'll be a fiend for it. It's the way you move, but I ain't paying for it. Cause I ain't no fool if you okay with it. Tonight I stay with it, hit the telly, play with it, in a major way, get it. I do my thing in the club. Every chance I get, I tear it up. Dance floor jam packed. Look, I got 'em going out of control. Set it off from your left, dawg. Set it off from your right, dawg. Set it off. Nigga, I said set it off. Set it off. Go, shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip a party like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up, cause that's your birthday. You'll find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Mama, I got what you need if you need to feel the buzz. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug, if you're into getting rough. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Mama, I got what you need if you need to feel the buzz. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug, if you're into getting rough. When I pull up out front, you see the Benz on dub. When I roll 20 deep, it's always drama in the club. Now that I roll with Dre, everybody show me love. When you select them,
Дулат Кеңесбековке алғысымызды айтайық. Дулат, көптен көп рахмет саған. Сенің көрсеткен шеберлігің балаларға ұнады деген үміттемін және ең бастысы пайдалы әсерін тигізеді деген үміттеміз. Рахмет саған көптен көп. Ендігі кезекте Абылай Шакирбеков, Сақ Протим залының жауынгері. Папин бродяга, мамин симпатяга болып шай-шайын деп тұрсың ғой, деме қарсыласыңды. My show brought me to go. That brought me all my fancy things. My crib, my cars, my clothes, my jewels. Look on me, I done came up and I ain't changing. You should love it way more than you hate it. Oh, you mad? I thought that you be happy I made it. I'm that cat by the bar, toasting to the good life. Moved out the hood, now you tryna pull me back, right? My junk get the pump. jumping in the club, it's on. I'm with my eyes to chicks, if she smash, she gone. Hit the roof on fire, man. Just let it burn up the talking about money, homie, I ain't concerned. I'ma tell you what banks told me, cause go ahead, switch the style up. And if they hate, then let them hate, then watch the money pile up. Or we can go upside the head with a bottle of bug. Come on, they know where we be. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Mama, I got what you need if you need to feel the buzz. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're into getting rough. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Mama, I got what you need if you need to feel the buzz. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're into getting rough. Don't try to act like you don't know who we be, neither. We in the club on time, so pop on. Shady aftermath.
Little mama, show me how to move it. Go ahead, put your back into it. Do your thing like it ain't too wet. Shake that ass, girl. Little mama, show me how you move it. Go ahead, put your back into it. Do your thing like it ain't too wet. Shake that ass, girl. Go, 50 in the house, bounce. Y'all already know what I'm about. The flow sounds sicker over Dre drums, nigga. I ain't stupid, I see Doc, then my dope come quicker. Whoa, shorty hips is hypnotic, she moves, she's so erotic. I watch, I'm like, bounce that ass, girl. I get it crump in here, I make it jump in here, front in here, we'll thump in here. Oh, I'm so gutter, so ghetto, so hard. So gully, so grimy, what's good? Outside the Benz on dubs, I'm in the club with the snug. Don't start nothing, it won't be nothing, Little mama, show me how you move it. Go ahead, put your back into it. Do your thing like it ain't nothing too wet. Shake that ass, girl. Little mama, show me how you move it. Go ahead, put your back into it. Do your thing like it ain't nothing too wet. Shake that ass, girl. Let's party, everybody stand up. Everybody put your hands up. Let's party, everybody bounce with me. Some champagne and burn a little greenery. It's hot. Disco Inferno, let's go. You're now rockin' with a pro. I get dough to flip dough to get more for show. Get my drink on, then get on the dance floor. Look, homie, I don't dance, all I do is this. It's the same two-step with a little twist. Listen, Peppin, I ain't new to this, I'm true to this. Pay attention, boy, I teach you how to do this shit. We mix a little Chris with a little Dom Perignon and a little Hennessy, you know we finna carry on.
Рахмет саған Аблай. Бұл қошемет саған. Осының бәрін көрсетесің бе? Красавчик. Ендігі кезекте жеңіл Naiza лигасының жеңіл салмақ категориясының чемпионы Бразилиядан бізге қонаққа келген Майке Линарес.
Shake that ass, girl. You see me shining, lit up with diamonds, cause I stay grinding. Homie, you could catch me swooping, Bentley cooping, switching lanes. You see me rolling, you know I'm holding, I'm out my paper. Yeah, nigga, I'm serious, I ain't playing, I'm embedded in your brain, I'm off the chain. G-Unit, next level now, turn it up a notch. And Dre sent me to tear up the spot. Front on me, oh no, you know I'm loco. Hands up on the dance floor, okay, let's go. Little mama, show me how you move it. Go ahead, put your back into it. Do your thing like it ain't nothing too wet. Shake that ass, girl. Little mama, show me how you move it. Go ahead, put your back into it. Do your thing like it ain't nothing too wet. Shake that ass, girl.
past midnight, look for 'em in the mall. I don't play with these cats, I ain't got nothing to say to these cats. For the moment they really do love them, please pray for these cats. 'Cause I know they all hard-headed, but I ain't got the patience. Don't want me having no patience, turning to more patience. One trip to ICU, 'cause I see you trying to get away with things a real wouldn't do. Where my dogs at? See them? Get them, boy. That's how we do. Yeah, this is for my dog. This is for my dog. Yo, where we at, baby? From then till now, don't ask me how. Know that we gon' roll like them cats that hit back on the child. Where the hood, where the hood, where the hood at? Had that nigga in the cat, where the wood at? On the hood, stacking up, where the wolves at? You better bust that if you gon' pull that. Where the hood, where the hood, where the hood at? Had that nigga in the cat, where the wood at? On the hood, stacking up, where the wolves at? You better bust that if you gon' pull that. What at? It's so good. It's so good. Dog is the hood. It's so good. Dog is the hood. It's so good. Dog is the hood. It's so good. Take it how you want. It's so good. I'm in the dog is the hood. I think I'm like the only dog that can go to the projects and straight to myself and be good. Good, yeah. Ask me, don't buy your projects when the last time they see a dog. Not too long ago, baby.
Yeah, it's 50, aka Ferrari F50. Break it down. I got a lot of living to do before I die, and I ain't got time to waste. Let's make it. You say you a gangster, but you never pop nothing. You say you a wankster, and you need to stop fronting. You ain't a friend of mine, you ain't no kin of mine. What makes you think that I won't run up on you with the 9? We do this all the time. Right now we on the grind, so hurry up and cop and go. We selling nicks and dimes. Shorty, she's so fine, I gotta make her mine. I ass like that, gotta be one of a kind. I crush him every time, punch him with every line. I'm fucking with their mind, I make them press rewind. They know they can't shine if I'm around the rhyme. They don't peruse is 94 cause I commit the crime. I salute my line.
Thanks a lot. Thank you, Mikey. You have some Короче, молодец. Thank you too.
You say you a gangster.
Ал ендігі кезекте Ерзат орын. Ерзат қайда? Ерзатты да қолдап қояқ енді.
Yeah, nigga, I'm still fucking with you. Still waters run deep. Still Snoop Dogg and D.R.E. Nah, nigga.
Guess who's back?
Still doing that shit, Andre?
Oh, for sure.
Yeah.
Check me out. It's still Dre Day, nigga. AK, nigga. Though I've grown a lot, can't keep it home a lot. Cause when I frequent the spots that I'm known to rock, you hear the bass from the truck when I'm on the block. Ladies, they pay homage, but haters say Dre fell off. How, nigga, my last album was The Chronic. They wanna know if he still got it. They say raps change, they wanna know how I feel about
If
it.
you ain't up on things,
Dr. Dre is the name, I'm ahead of my game. Still puffin' my leaf, still fuck with the beats. Still not loving police. Still rock my khakis with a cuff in the crease. Still got love for the streets, reppin' 213. Still the beats bang, still doing my thing. Since I left, ain't too much change. Still,
I'm representing for the gangsters all across the world.
still,
Hitting them corners and them lolos, girl.
still taking my time to perfect the beat. And I still got love for the streets. It's the
I'm
D.R.E.
representing for the gangsters all across the world.
Still,
Hitting them corners and them lolos, girl.
still taking my time to perfect the beat. And I still got love for the streets. It's the D.R.E. Since the last time you heard from me, I lost some friends. Well, hell, me and Snoop, we dipping again. Kept my ear to the streets. Signed Eminem, Hayes, triple platinum, doing 50 a week. Still, I stay close to the heat. And even when I was close to defeat, I rose to my feet. My life's like a soundtrack I wrote to the beat. Street rap like Cali weed, I smoke till I'm sleep. Wake up in the AM, compose a beat. I bring the fire till you're soaking in your seat. It's not a fluke, it's been tried, I'm the truth. Since turn out the lights from the world-class wrecking crew, I'm still at it, after mathematics. In the home of drive-bys and acmatics. swap meets, sticky green and bad traffic. I dip through, then I give you the
I'm
DRE.
representing for the gangsters all across the world.
Still,
Hitting them corners and them lolos, girl.
still taking my time to perfect the beat, and I still got love for the streets. It's the
I'm
DRE.
representing for the gangsters all across the world.
Still,
Hitting them corners and them lolos, girl.
still taking my time to perfect the beat, and I still got love for the streets. It's the DRE. It ain't nothing but mo hot shit. Another classic CD for y'all to vibe with. Whether you're cooling on the corner with your fly bitch, lay back in the shack, play this track. I'm representing for the gangsters all across the world. Still
Hitting them corners and them lolos, girl.
I'll break your neck, damn near put your face in your lap. Niggas try to be the king, but the ace is back.
So if you ain't up on things,
Dr. Dre be the name, still running the game, still got it wrapped like a mummy. Still ain't tripping, love to see young blacks get money. Spend time out the hood, take their moms out the hood, hit my boys off with jobs. No more living hard, barbecues every day, driving fancy cars. Still gon' get mine
I'm
regardless.
representing for the gangsters all across the world.
Still,
Hitting them corners and them lolos, girl.
still taking my time to perfect the beat, and I still got love for the streets. It's the
I'm
DRE.
representing for the gangsters all across the world.
Still,
Hitting them corners and them lolos, girl.
still taking my time to perfect the beat, and I still got love for the streets. It's the
I'm
DRE.
representing for the gangsters all across the world.
Still,
Hitting them corners and them lolos, girl.
still taking my time to perfect the beat, and I still got love for the streets. It's the DRE.
Right back up in your motherfucking ass. 9-5 plus 4 pennies. Add that shit up. DRE. Right back up on top of things. Up out of there.
Ain't nothing but a gangsta party.
Oh shit. You done fucked up, man. You done put two of America's most wanted in the same motherfucking place at the same motherfucking time. Y'all niggas about to feel this. Break out the champagne glasses and motherfucking condoms. Have one on us, alright? Picture perfect. I paint a perfect picture. Bomber hooches with precision. My intentions to get with you with that and double OP. Dog, my fucking homie. Use a cold ass nigga on them all.
Showing up. I keep my hand on my gun, cause they got me on the run. Now I'm back in the courtroom, waiting on the outcome. 3-2 pockets, all this on the niggas' mind. But at the same time, it seems they tryna take mine. So I'm gonna get smart and get defensive and shit, and put together a million march for some gangster shit.
So now they got a slate. 2 multi-millionaire motherfuckers catch a case. Bitches get ready for the throwdown. The shit's about to go down. Me and Snoop about to clash. I'm losing my religion. I'm vicious on these stool pigeons. You might be deep in this game, but you got the rules missing. Niggas be acting like you savage. They out to get the cabbage. I got nothing but love for my niggas living
I
lavish.
got a pit named P, she niggerina. I got a house out in the hills, right next to Sheena. And I think I got a black beamer, but my dream is to own a fly casino like Bugsy Siegel and do it all illegal. And get
Ерзат, көптен көп рахмет. Достар, қошеметтеп қояйық. Красавчик. Ал ендігі кезекте біздің тағы бір қонағымыз Бразилиядан кеп тұрған Алиса Савельева.
This is how we do. Nobody do it like we do it, so show us some love. This is how we do. We make a move and act a fool while we up in the club. This is how we do. Nobody do it like we do it, so show us some love.
Fresh like Impala, chrome hydraulics, 808 drums. You don't want none, nigga better run.
Спасибо большое, Алиса. Для ребят, надеюсь, это было очень познавательно. Спасибо еще раз. Ендігі кезекте, айтпақшы Алисаның қарсыласы шығайын деп тұр төрге. Әйгерім Төреханова.
Solo look like I'm riding on planes in 1 year, man. A nigga so great, I have a straight bitch in the telly going both ways. Touch me, tease me, kiss me, please me. I give it to you just how you like it, girl. You're now rocking with the best, straight pound on my hip, Teflon on my chest. They say I'm no good, cause I'm so hood. Rich folks do not want me around. Cause shit might pop off, and if shit pop off, somebody gon' get laid the fuck out. They call me new money, say I have no class. I'm from the bottom, I came up too fast. The hell if I care, I'm just here to get my cash. Bougie ass bitches, you kiss my ass. This is how we do. We make a move and act a fool while we up in the club. This is how we do. Nobody do it like we do it, so show us some love. This is how we do. We make a move and act a fool while we up in the club. This is how we do. Nobody do it like we do it, so show us some love.
Gold Daytonas on that cherry 6-4. White wall so clean like I'm riding on Vogues. Hit one switch, man, that ass so low. Cali got niggas in New York riding on unexposed. Touch me, tease me, kiss me, please me. I give it to you just how you like it, girl. You're now rocking with the best 4 pound on my hip, gold chain on my chest.
50, Bentley, MK, man, got a nigga fresh out the slum. Automatic gun, fuck a one-on-one. With rap punk ass stuntin', you done. Homie, it's game time.
You ready? Here it come. Call Lloyd Banks and get this motherfucker crunk. It took 2 months, but 50 got it done. Signed with G-Unit, had niggas like, don't try to front. I'll leave your ass slump. Thinking I'm a punk, get your fucking head lump. 50 got a gun.
Ready, here it come. Gotta sit ready, better to get this. Check out me pop up, better than drama. Set us if I'm up, better my flow sounds better than average. On tracks, I'm a savage, I damage any nigga tryna front on my clip.
G-Unit,
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. I That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Feel low, you can still go. Go, go slow, you can still go. Go, there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Not a problem, you know I do it cause I love you. Now I gotta give a shout out to Seagram Gin, cause I drink it and they pay me for it. Hustling, 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 hustling. Every day I'm hustling, 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 every day I'm hustling. Who the fuck you think you're fucking with? I'm the fucking boss. 745, white on white, that's fucking Ross. I cut them wide, I cut them long, I cut them fat. I keep them coming back, we keep them coming back. I'm in the distribution, I'm like Atlantic. I got the motherfuckers flying across the Atlantic. I know Pablo Noriega, the real Noriega. He owe me 100 favors. I ain't petty, nigga. We buy the whole thing. See, most of my niggas really still deal cocaine. My roof back, my money ride. I'm on the pedal, show you what a money like. When they snatch black, I cry for 100 nights. He got 100 bodies, serving 100 lives. Every day I'm hustling, 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 every day I'm. We never steal cars, but we deal hard. Whip it real hard, whip it real hard. I call the charge, I call the charge. Whip it real hard, whip it real hard. Ain't about no funny shit, still bitches and business. I'm on my money shit, still whipping them Benzes. Major League, who catching because I'm pitching? Jose Canseco just snitching because he finished. I feed them steroids to strengthen up all my chickens. They flying over Pacifics to be specific. Triple C's, you know it's fact. We hold it sack. So nigga gon' rap. Gon' run and tell them that. More cars, more hoes, more clothes, more blow. Every day I'm hustling, 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 every day I'm.
Максим, көптен көп рахмет саған. Спасибо тебе большое. Это было очень познавательно. Ал енді, қадірменді достар, ендігі Джакс қайда? Джакс, дайынсың ба? Бүгін шеберлігіңді барынша көрсетші, ертең 2 мамыр күні қарсыласыңды қалай пытырлататыныңды көрейік. Naiza 82 турнирінің басты жекпе-жегінің жауынгері Жансерік Жақсығұлұлы ертең белбеуге таласады. Міне келді саған көрермен, қара. Дайынсың ба? Дайынсың ба?
in my mind, cause I don't write shit, cause I ain't got time. Cut my seconds, minutes, hours, go to the almighty dollar in the almighty power of that chopper. Sister, brother, son, daughter, father, motherfucker, copper. Got the Maserati dancing on the bridge, pussy popping, tell the coppers, ha ha ha, you can't catch them, you can't stop them. I go by them goon rules. If you can't beat them, then you pop them. You can't man them, then you mop them. You can't stand them, then you drop them. You pop them, cause we pop them like over red and vodka. Motherfucker, I'm ill. Yeah. A million here, a million there. Sicilian bitch with long hair, with coconut every year, like smoking the thinnest air. I open the Lamborghini, hoping them crackers see me. Like, look at that bastard Weezy. He's a beast, he's a dog, he's a motherfucking problem. Okay, you're a goon, but what's a goon to a goblin? Nothing, you ain't scaring nothing. On some baggy bullshit, call him Dennis Rodman. Call me with your own peach, call me on my sidekick. Never answer when it's private. Damn, I hate a shy bitch. Don't you hate a shy bitch? Yeah, I hate a shy bitch. She ain't shy no more, she changed her name to my bitch. Yeah, nigga, that's my bitch. So when she asks for the money, when you through, don't be surprised, bitch. And it ain't tricking if you got it. But you like a bitch with no ass, you ain't got shit. Motherfucker, I'm ill, not sick. And I'm okay, but my watch sick. Yeah, my drop sick. Yeah, my Glock sick. And my knot thick. I'm ill. Motherfucker, I'm ill. Yeah, see, they say I'm rapping like Big J and Tupac. Andre 3000, where is Erica Badu at? Who that say they gon' beat Lil Wayne? My name ain't big, but I keep that flame name. Who that wanna do that, boy? You knew that, you that swallow. And I be this shit, now you got loose powers. I don't owe you like 2 vowels, but I would like for you to pay me by the hour. And I'd rather be pushing flowers than to be in the pen sharing showers. Tony told us this world was ours, and the Bible told us every girl was sour. Don't play in the garden and don't smell her flower. Call me Mr. Carter, Mr. Lawnmower. Oh, I got so many bitches like I'm Michael Lowry. Even Gwen Stefani, they say she couldn't doubt me. Motherfucker, I say life ain't shit without me. Chrome lips poking out the coop, look like it's pouting. I do what I do and you do what you can do about it. Bitch, I can turn a crack rock into a mountain. Damn man, don't you compare me, cause there ain't nobody near me. They don't see me, but they hear me. They don't feel me, but they feel me. I'm ill at C3, 3P.
That's why I fucked your bitch, you fat motherfucker. West side, bad boy killers. You know who the realest is, niggas. We bring it to you. First, don't fuck your bitch in the clique you claim. West side, when we ride, come equipped with game. You claim to be a player, but I fucked your wife. We bust on bad boys, niggas fuck for life. Plus, Puffy tryna see me weak, hearts are rich. Biggie Smalls and Junior Mafia, some mark ass bitches. We keep on coming while we running for your juice. Steady gunning, keep on busting at the boots. You know the rules. Little Caesar, go ask your homie how I leave you. Cut your young ass up, leave you in peace. Now be deceased. Little Kim, don't fuck around with real G's. Quick to snatch your ugly ass off the streets. So fuck peace. I let them niggas know it's on for life. Don't let the West Side ride the night. Bad boy murdered on wax and kill. Fuck with me and get your cats peeled. You know, see, grab your blocks when you see Tupac. Call the cops when you see Tupac. Who shot me, but your pumps didn't finish. Now you're about to feel the wrath of a menace. Nigga, I hit him up. Check this out. You motherfuckers know what time it is. I don't even know why I'm on this track. Y'all niggas ain't even on my level. I'ma let my little homies ride on you bitch made ass bad boy bitches. Feel.
Get out the way, yo, get out the way, yo. Biggie Smalls just got dropped. Little move past the mat and let me hit him in his back. Frank White need to get spanked right for setting traps. Little accident murderers, and I ain't never heard of ya. Poisonous cats attack when I'm serving ya. Spank the shake, your whole style when I gank. Guard your rank, cause I'ma slam your ass in the paint. Puffy weaker than the fucking block I'm running through, nigga. And I smoke this
Рахмет саған, Жакс. Көп рахмет саған. Ертең 2 мамыр күні алдыңа қойған мақсатыңа жетесің деген үміттеміз. Барша қазақ елі сені қолдайтын болады. Солай ма? Ал достар, бүгінгі жаттығулар сіздерге пайдалы болды деген үміттеміз. Дәл сол үшін осы ашық жаттығуларды жасаған себебіміз. Ертең 2 мамыр күні Балуан Шолақ спорт кешенде баршаңызды күтетін боламыз. Осымен тәмам, келесі жүздескенше.